The certificate program is a 4-course program that's designed to amplify and accelerate your career in real estate. The real estate markets have changed in recent years faster than they ever had before. Combinations of dynamics in the marketplace, the introduction of artificial intelligence in the world of real estate, as well as a rapidly changing economy have all changed the game for real estate. And the real estate investment certificate is in response to those dynamic changes. Students get the opportunity to learn the cutting edge of real estate so that the tools and insights that they get from our courses, they can immediately apply in the world of real estate investment. There's a lot you can get from the real estate investment certificate. It's really designed for entrepreneurial real estate. So individuals who are interested in making the leap to investing on their own and to engaging in real estate investment benefit a lot from this. So we have students that have experience, they have decades of experience in real estate, but they need some additional support in order to understand the current dynamic market, and so we provide those tools. We also have students that have never done real estate investment before, that they've heard about it, maybe they've done a little bit or they've wanted to, and are looking for an opportunity to gain the tools and the knowledge they need to pursue real estate investment. What I would say is the professionals who would get the most of this are going to be anyone who wants to be in the field of real estate entrepreneurship and real estate investment.